Welcome back to another edition of I Attempt to Help You with Stuff. Today we're going to be talking about mean, median, mode, and range. In this case, we have all of the numbers organized from least to greatest, which is always a good idea when you're doing these types of problems. You want to organize your data from least to greatest. And so first we're going to find the mean. To find the mean, you got to add them all up, then divide the sum by the number of numbers. Boom. And just like that, I've added up all of the numbers, and they equal 56. Now, what do we do with this 56? Well, you have to divide 56. So I'm going to put a little line underneath it to indicate division. We got to divide 56 by the number of numbers. So how many numbers do we have in this data set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide 56 by 8. And what is 56 divided by 8? Go on. I'll wait. That's right, folks. It's 7. So you know what that means? That means that the mean is 7 for this particular data set. But now we got to find the median. When I say median, you say middle, median, middle, median, middle. When I say median, you say middle, median, middle, median, middle. Now, it's very important that when you're finding the median, that you do have your numbers organized from least to greatest. But once again, you can see that I've already done this for you. So now let's just find the middle number. And you can do that by going very scientifically. You can be like, jaw, flow, jaw, flow, jaw, flow, jello. Now you can see that we have an even number of numbers, which can prove difficult when you're trying to find the number that is exactly in the middle. Now, typically you would be like, well, what is between those two numbers? But they're the same number, so the number, or the median in this case, happens to be 8. But what if they were different? Like, what if the two middle numbers were, I don't know, just for an example, let's say it was 8 and 10. Well, what number is exactly between 8 and 10? Well, of course, we know that 9 is exactly between 8 and 10. 8, 9, 10, right? But maybe you won't know that right off the bat because they'll be a little bit more spread out. What you can do is you can actually just add those two numbers together. 8 plus 10 is going to be 18. And then you can divide that by 2. And that will give you 9. So if you have two numbers in the middle, you can simply add them together and then divide by 2 to get the median. Does that make sense? Clear as mud. All right, so the median is going to be 8. Now we got to find the mode. Mode occurs the most. Most occurring number. Yo, I'm the mode and I must be treated with respect because I'm the most repeated. So, which of these numbers is repeated more than all the other ones? Oh, look at here. We have 8 and 8. But looky here, we got 9 and 9. And both 8 and 9 are repeated more than any of the other numbers, but they're repeated the same. So what does that mean? Well, that means we got two modes. We got, what am I doing? 8 and 9. Are you making fun of the way I draw 8s? I know you are. Hold up. Let me fix it. Ladies and gentlemen, an 8. Dun, 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 dun. And if you think 8 is bad, have you seen how I draw 5s? I'll have to show you in another episode. Never mind, I'll show you right now. Isn't that crazy? Like, just naturally I want to draw 5s like that. I don't know why. Probably because, yeah. Anyways, weird. Now we're going to find the range. Having said that, I got the range. Take the biggest, subtract the smallest. Holler at me if you got the range. Now, obviously, that's not my original tune, but it totally works for this. So you take the biggest number, 10, subtract the smallest number, 2, and you get a range of 8. Once again, 8 eludes me. Let's try 8 again. I ate it when I draw it wrong or write it wrong. But anyways, there's another example of how to find the mean, median, mode, and range. I do hope this video was helpful to you, and have a wonderful day.